Toyota has been making hybrids for more than 25 years. They practically invented the modern hybrid game with the Prius. But here we are in 2025, and the car market is completely different. Electric vehicles are everywhere. Gas prices keep changing, and people are asking, pause for effect, should I still buy a Toyota hybrid this year, or are they past their prime? Today, we're going to find out. We'll look at real reliability stats, hidden costs, resale values, and the surprising truth about Toyota hybrids in 2025. Stick around until the end, because I'll also reveal 3 Toyota hybrids you should avoid, and 2 that are still bulletproof. Reputation. Back in 1997, the Toyota Prius shocked the world. It wasn't fast, it wasn't flashy, but it was practically indestructible, and it sipped fuel like a hummingbird. Over the years, Toyota hybrids became famous for incredible fuel economy, minimal maintenance needs, and engines that could last 300,000 miles or more. Even in 2025, Toyota still ranks near the top of reliability surveys. If you want long-term dependability, that track record still matters. What's new in 2025? Toyota isn't standing still. This year, we're seeing their 5th-generation hybrid systems. They're smoother, more efficient, and more powerful. Old nickel-metal hydride batteries? Gone. Now they're using lighter lithium-ion packs. And there's a hybrid for almost everyone. From the Camry Hybrid, to the RAV4 Hybrid, to the big Highlander Hybrid. Even the new Tacoma pickup now comes as a hybrid. Reliability today. So, are Toyota hybrids still reliable in 2025? The short answer, yes, but there's more to it. The engines and transmissions are still rock solid. Hybrid batteries often last 10 to 15 years, and routine maintenance costs are lower than most gas-only cars. But if you keep the car past 200,000 miles, a battery replacement could still be expensive. And with newer models packed full of advanced electronics, repairs for those systems can add up if they fail. Fuel economy, fuel savings are still a big win. The RAV4 Hybrid gets around 40 miles per gallon combined. The Camry Hybrid, up to 52 miles per gallon. And the Prius, over 55. If you drive about 15,000 miles a year, you could save between $700 and $1,200 annually compared to a gas SUV or sedan. Over 5 years, that's thousands of dollars back in your pocket. Resale value. Here's something most people forget. Toyota hybrids hold their value better than almost anything else. Look at used Prius or RAV4 hybrids. Even 10-year-old models still sell for serious money if they've been well cared for. Why? Because buyers trust Toyota hybrids, and trust means a higher resale price. When not to buy. There are situations where a Toyota hybrid isn't the best choice. If you drive less than 5,000 miles a year, you won't save much on fuel. If you plan to keep the car for 20 years or more, a battery replacement is almost certain. And if you want to ditch gas entirely, Toyota's EV lineup is still limited compared to other brands. Models to avoid. Not every Toyota hybrid is a slam dunk. In 2025, I'd skip the Prius C, older tech, small battery range. I'd also avoid early 2020 to 2022 Sienna hybrids. Some had transmission issues. And the Avalon Hybrid, great car, but discontinued. Parts could get pricey over time. The most reliable picks. If you want the safest bets for long-term reliability, the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid is one. SUV practicality, 40 miles per gallon. The Toyota Camry Hybrid is another. Comfortable, quick, extremely dependable. Both have proven track records, low running costs, and excellent resale value. So, should you buy a Toyota hybrid in 2025? If you want bulletproof reliability, great fuel economy, and strong resale value, the answer is yes. They might not be the flashiest cars on the road, but they're some of the smartest buys you can make right now. Now, I want to hear from you. Would you pick a Toyota hybrid over a fully electric car this year? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it helpful. Share it with someone shopping for a new car, and subscribe for more car buying guides and reliability breakdowns every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.